Hello, dear friends. This is Phone Support Channel. Before you start watching this video, please subscribe to the channel and give it a like. And also write your feedback in the comments if this video helps you, or if you have any questions. Thank you. In this video, I want to show and tell you what to do if your Discord app is crashing or not working. If you open it and it immediately crashes like this, but I have it working at the moment, just showing how it can be, how to fix it. The first way is very simple. You just need to press this application on your iPhone and delete it. That is the application, and thus you clear the first. Catch the second. All the data is deleted, but then if you log into your account, everything will be restored, and you may have the application will work again. That is this way you just delete it, download a new one. If this does not help, you need to go into the settings of your device. That is, just go into the settings of your iPhone. Now here you just need to find a path that is called General, then open there. As you can see, this is a very simple and quick way. Done. Nothing complicated. If you like this video, put likes and subscribe to the channel. And also watch other useful videos on the channel. That was Phone Support. Bye bye. See you later.